Hey guys, is your car's arm doing this and the wheel being loose? Well, here's how to fix it. What you want to do is check, take your body off the car and then have a look. You here, so here's your wheel that's loose. And see this arm here, there's no screw leading from in here or going through to here. So that means what's happened is that's come undone. It's come all the way out. So okay guys, so first thing what you want to do is, before we do anything else, if you want to check that to make sure that your drive shaft hasn't come out. So that's just this right here. So what if it has, and it's like sitting at, it's not in its holder. So when you turn the wheel like this, it's not in the thing. What you want to do is you want to slide this in to the correct position with the drive shaft. So you spin it around so it fits in. Just there, just like that. So now it's in the holder, see that? So now you're ready to start to get this screw and screw it in the hole. What you want to do is, you want to get one of those screws. So if you're lucky, it might have stayed in there a bit like this. See? So what you want to do is basically just pop that in there and screw it through. So have a look. Like this. So have a look. So there, you're going to slide that through, that pole through here, like that. So now it's through there. See, have a look, just here. And what you want to do is screw this back in with just an Allen key, so it looks like that, all the way in. And we're going to have a quick time lapse of me doing that, and then we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so it's me again. Just checking in midway through that time lapse. What you want to do is you have to make sure that when you're screwing this in with your Allen key, like that, it's going through properly on the other end. So the other end is lined up just in that, so it goes right just into that hole. See? There you go, like that. So make sure that's lined up. Right, I'll hop back into that time lapse. Okay guys, we're all done. We've finished the time lapse. So that's gone back in, the arm just there. So that should fix this wheel right there. So we've got our drive shaft in the position correctly, which is down there in the, just there, it's in properly, and our A-arm is in properly. So now we'll check that it's working. So my wheel, I can see here that it's all fixed because my wheel's not wobbling. There you go. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.